Hello, my name is Daisy Vanessa Mora Palencia. I am UNDID student in the English 4 course. In this case, I want to express my point of the view on the effects of technology on the environment. I, I believe that although technology has facilitated many of daily tasks, it is also causing irreversible damage to the environment since recent years. It has increased global warming, drastic climate changes affect our health and is affecting nature in general. Unfortunately, if this continues and people do not change their consumption habits, the futures of the planet will be sinister. However, we are in time to reduce this damage. Studying will implementing in ecological technology where production is sustainable and friendly to the environment. Okay, thank you very much for your attention. Bye bye.